Hello. In this video I want to show you the solutions to 5 different types of mixture problems. The first problem reads as follows. How many pounds of candy that sells for 85 cents per pound must be mixed with candy that sells for $1.25 per pound to obtain 8 pounds of a mixture that sells for 93 cents per pound? Now, this is a standard mixture problem, and we want 2 equations. We want a how much equation. We want a how many equation. Now, it says I want 8 pounds of a mixture. Now, I've got some cheap stuff that sells for 85 cents per pound. I'll let that be represented by X. So let X be the pounds at 85 cents. And I will let Y be the pounds at $1.25. If I want 8 pounds, X plus Y will equal 8. Now, I want this mixture to sell for 93 cents per pound. This is the how many equation. How many pounds? Pounds plus pounds equals pounds. And the second is how much money. So 85 cents per pound for X plus $1.25 per pound for Y equals 93 cents per pound for 8 pounds. So here are my 2 equations, and the easiest way to solve these will be to use substitution. Now, what I did was to go ahead and multiply by 100 to clear the decimals, and at the same time to substitute. So if X plus Y is 8, then X equals 8 minus Y. And I'm going to substitute that right here. So 85, I'm multiplying by 100, times 8 minus Y plus 125Y equals 93 times 8, which is 744. I'll distribute the 85, and I'll solve for Y. So 680 minus 85Y plus 125Y equals 744. And so 40Y will equal 64. And dividing by 40 then, Y is equal to $1.60. 1.6 pounds. And if Y is 1.6 pounds and X plus Y is 8 pounds, then X will be 6.4 pounds. And the second problem is similar to this. We're selling tickets to a college program. General admission is $4. Student IDs pay $3. They tell us 182 people paid. So I'm going to say general tickets plus student tickets add up to total number of tickets, which is 182. That's my how many equation. How many? General students or general admissions, student tickets, 182. Now, the general admission is $4, so 4G is that revenue. Student tickets are $3, 3S, and they collected a total of $621. That's my how much equation. How much money was taken in? Again, I've got my how many and how much equation. Again, I'll use substitution. G is 182 minus S. And I'll substitute here in my second equation. So 4 times 182 minus S plus 3S is 621. So distributing the 4, 728 minus 4S plus 3S is 621. Negative S, and I subtract 728 from 621, negative 107. So the number of student tickets, 107 student. Remember, we have 182 altogether. So G, subtracting 107 from 182, 75 general. So again, a mixture problem working with two equations. How many and how much? The third example is a little different. And they're looking at movie prices in Japan and in Switzerland. And they give us two statements of fact. In the first, they say it would cost $79.97 to buy 3 tickets in Japan plus 2 tickets in Switzerland. Then they tell us 3 tickets in Switzerland plus 2 tickets in Japan would cost $75.33. Well, let's write up two equations. So 3 tickets in Japan plus 2 in Switzerland would cost $79.97. 3 tickets in Switzerland and 2 tickets in Japan would cost us $75.33. Now again, I have two equations, but this time substitution is certainly not an ideal method for solution, so rather we'll use elimination. And in order to eliminate, what I'll do, I'll multiply this first equation by -3. I'll multiply this second equation by 2. And that's going to give me -6s and +6s, which will drop s out of the equation. So when I multiply then, it'll look like this. For the first equation, -9j -6s equals -239.91. And in the second, 4j plus 6s is equal to 150.66. So now I have these two equations, and I can add, and I will eliminate that s when I do, and I have -5j is equal to -89.25. When I divide, j equals 1785. So that tells me then an answer to my question. In Japan, the average ticket cost is $17.85. Well, I want to find what it would be in Switzerland, and I can do that by coming back to either equation. I came back when I did this to the second equation, so I'm going to take 2, replace j with 1785 plus 3s is equal to 7533. and I'll solve for S. S equals $13.21. So in the answer to this equation, in Japan, the average ticket for a movie, $17.85. And in Switzerland, the average price per ticket, $13.21. Again, it's a mixture problem. Again, I need two equations, but I have to be sensitive to the type of question that they're asking me. It's a little different from the how many and how much that we've seen before. Okay.